Hi, I'm Rupa, and I'm going to share with you a short practice of beautiful, relaxing Qigong. Qigong is an ancient technique which was designed for meditators so that they could experience the flow of qi inside and around their body. These are very simple movements. Just follow along with me and don't take it too seriously. No strain, no stress, just be playful and see what happens. So we're going to begin standing. So this is our standing position. We have our feet shoulder width apart and our knees are slightly unlocked. And just try that. Bring your attention to your feet, feeling them connecting to the earth. Your knees are unlocked and your spine is straight, making space, coming upwards to the neck, and your shoulders are soft. With your hands loosely by the side, just move your arms a little, feeling again the hands connecting to the earth. And then we bring our head slightly forward, as if we're saying yes, and this opens the back of the neck. So we're standing straight. And then our head, here is the crown chakra, we feel as if we're pulling a string up, very slightly. And the rest of you is sinking down as light enters the body, making space, letting go into the earth. And the first movement, very simple, raising our hands, leading with the back of the wrists up to shoulder height. Breathing in and breathing out, bringing our hands down as we sink and connect to the earth. And we'll do this a few times, breathing in and breathing out. This encourages and balances the upward and downward movement in our body, which is very important for our health and our balance. Be aware of your shoulders so that you're not holding them too tight. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And now bringing your hands up in front of your heart. Your palms are facing, and it's as if you're holding a giant beach ball. This is expansive. It's an expansive movement. As we breathe in, we opening the top part of our body. This benefits the lungs, the heart. We open to 180 degrees. And breathing out, we gather in nourishing energy, connecting with the heart, and now sinking to the ground. The sinking is important. Just feel that in your standing posture, connecting to the earth. This way we can discharge our tension and receive nourishing energy from the earth. We do it again, breathing in, breathing out, coming back. If you take fairly short breaths, we can do it in an in-breath, breathing in, and a longer out-breath, breathing out. We connect to the earth. Breathing in This benefits very much our breath, creating space and releasing tension from our heart. Expanding, coming back, and letting go. And just check in with your alignment as we move to the next one. This one we begin with our hands out here, and we're going to twist at the waist. When you twist at the waist, make sure that your knees are loose. And we're going to twist 90 degrees or less if that's too much, like this. And we tap the opposite kidney with the back of our hand. And just get into a nice flowing movement. One more time each side. We bring our hands together and rub until they're very warm. And then we're going to take our hands and rub our kidneys. The kidneys are above your waist, inside the body at the back. And we make circles. And then change direction. And then let go. And then slowly bring your arms up the side. Up to the top of the head. Sinking down the front of the body. We let go. The kidneys connect to the earth through the feet. And we do this again. And now bringing one hand facing the earth and the other hand above facing the sky. We work with the sides of the body. This is the wood element. We raise, keeping one hand connecting with the earth, we raise our left hand up towards the throat, turning the palm and pushing the sky. And we give a little stretch to the side and letting go as we bring the arm down, facing the earth and turning the other palm upwards. Coming up to the throat, we push to the sky, a little stretch, not too intense, opening up at the side, coming back, connecting with the earth and turning the top palm upwards now. We do it one more time, breathing in, push to the sky, stretch a little, connecting down. Palm is facing the earth as the other one turns, breathing in, push to the sky, a little side stretch, open, connect to the earth. The palms now coming up to face in front of the heart. Your wrists are aligned and the palms are facing you. We breathe in, up to shoulder height, and we breathe out, coming back. Breathing in. And as you do this, remember your connection through the feet to the ground. Coming back. And then we come out. This time we raise our hands above our head, crossing down the front of the body as we slowly let go and sink to the earth. And again, lifting the energy of the earth, connecting up. We bring light into the body. And sinking. And one more time. And connect to the earth. And then bringing your hands out now to the side. We turn our palm. Lifting up, expanding upwards. And coming down, allowing your body to be filled with energy. And at the same time you're letting go. Connecting to the earth. Receiving the energy of the earth. We do this again. And sink. And then we finish with a Taoist bow. We take the right fist, bringing it to meet the left palm, gathering in with gratitude and opening. Sharing and letting go. So that's the end of the moving part, and now if you'd like to remain standing for a short meditation, or sitting, or lying down, whichever feels good. And at the end, I'll ring a few bells. I'm going to sit down, or shall I stand? Is that good? Close your eyes now. And feel inside. Feel your spine, your head, letting your shoulders and arms be soft, and your legs connecting to the ground. And just let go, doing nothing, allowing your body to integrate the practice. Thank you, everybody.